So he is my brother, Shikhar.
Namaste.
So he is staying here near this place.
So yeah.
So I am here from last 3 days. I'm really enjoying this place. With my brothers. He is my brother. He teaches guitar and
There is a small temple.
Yeah, there is one temple also here.
You might attack, no? No, it doesn't look like that. Hi guys, how are you? It's so beautiful. See? Wow. Okay, so here we go. His teeth is also amazing. See his tongues. He must be expecting something from us, but we
have not carried anything to.
Unfortunately, we don't have anything to give you, bro. So we'll see you.
Anekal ತಾಲೂಕು ಈ ಥರ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Thank you very much.
Town center Onekal Taluk.
What a beautiful place, right?
Beautiful place. Plantation has happened here.
So amazing, Could you explain about the use of this rose in South India?
So I have seen people are using this most of the times when there is funeral ceremony or something.
Right.
So that time they have used and wedding and all these things, decoration. Like most of the places in other state and all, they use artificial stuff. But I can see here in South India they use organic or natural stuff to decorate their
So there's some irrigation facilities here. You can see some water flowing over this place.
foundation. What is that called? Fountain.
I guess. But this flower, what is this flower called,
I don't know exactly what it is.
This is so amazing, right? So this is such a beautiful place.
Where this water is coming from?
But I'm scared that these people will have some objection. We're doing some videos and stuff like this. See this? This is beautiful flower, isn't it? This is some kind of rose. I've never seen this yellow rose. Can you see this?
That's yellow.
Wow, such a beautiful. This whole area is filled with rose, and then the lake is quite close from this place. This is really amazing place. I'm enjoying this place a lot, and I really thank
God,
my Lord for giving this beautiful opportunity. And I'm so happy and glad that one of my handsome brother, who is just like my close friend, is with me today, and we are enjoying this beautiful vibe here. So now the lake is right here, and I'm sure this is a huge lake. So here we go, guys. This is amazing lake. I'm not sure the name of this place. I think we can also get into that boat or wow, this is where I should come every day for walking, I guess. See these people working here. I'm really enjoying this vibe, and I'm pretty sure this lake is quite clean enough because there's no any foul smell, something like that. Because the other lake, what we have near to my place, is quite polluted, What do you say about this lake? You guys who are living in the city, you should someday come to my place, and I can actually bring you out here and then
can explore many things.
So yeah, please don't sit at home in the city, in the streets, filled with air pollutions and then noise pollution. Sometimes you should come to places like this and have fun with nature. And I'm so glad that today we got this chance. I'm really thanking.
Amazing. It's really nice.
Wow, great. You can see people working over there. I guess that's the same family, father and his daughter and his son working together. I can relate it to my family. We were also working in fields many years ago. We were working in the paddy field. I used to plow, and then my father used to be with me I especially miss my brother, Mr. Bikram Shankar, who is a very much, experienced guy in this kind of cultivations. And then, what is this? Is this a sopo?
This is called spinach.
Spinach.
Yeah.
We call palak, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
The same stuff, I guess, goes to the city. And then
Yeah, of course. I think we can ask for that sopo, We can pay for them. If so
yes,
it's
you can do that.
Could you just talk to that guy, because I am not good at it.
Which you gonna take?
Anyway, palak or anything like this. It's okay. Okay. So we just will you please?
Anna. ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಣ್ಣ?
Yeah, he's calling. He speaks Hindi. Exactly.
ಹಿಂದಿ ಗೊತ್ತು.
Wow. Brother, are you enjoying this vibe?
See, we are taking it freshly. See, it's plugging from the ground and then.
I don't know.
You are speaking now, madam.
You should try. That's nice. Brother,
It is Malayalam.
really enjoying this beautiful vibe.
Where village?
We're from Himalaya,
Himalaya.
Himalaya, right?
We are in Bangalore city.
Bangalore. Electricity.
Near electricity. So my brother also is enjoying plugging.
Yeah. Of course. I would like to take some, what is this? Here you go, ma'am. Take it.
Here sell ko 20 rupees. Outside sell ka 30 40. 30 40.
ಇರಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
पेट्रोल
पेट्रोल
मेरे को चार्ज.
Probably.
इसलिए इधर है तो इधर आए तो 20 रुपए ऐसे दिएगा.
क्या बोलता मैडम इसको कन्नड़ में?
ಇದು ದಂಟು ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
ಟೊಂಟು ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
ಇದು ದಂಟು ಸೊಪ್ಪು, ಇದು ಪಾಲಕು,
ಅದು ಪಾಲಕ್
ಅದು
ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ಚುರುಕಿ. ಇದು ಅರ್ವೆ.
ಇದು ಏನದು?
ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್
ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
There's no onion right now.
In our language,
ಕನ್ನಡ, ತೆಲುಗು, ತಮಿಳ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪಲಂಗಿ ಅಂತ.
ಪಲಂಗಿ.
ಇದು ಪಾಲಕ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಪಲಂಗಿ ಅಂತ.
So, are you enjoying the sugarcane, bro? It's nice? Wow. Yeah?
Yes.
What's your name?
ಸಂತೋಷ್.
Wow.
ಹಾ.
Santosh.
ಇದು
You
ಚಿಕ್ಕ
on vacation
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್
now?
ಇಂದಾನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ಬಹುದಿಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್?
ತಿನ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
Thank
You
you,
want to
sir.
taste something? Sorry.
Today I'm really, happy to see this field, the agricultural farmland, and I'm just holding this bunch of sopo. I actually don't remember the name of this.
ಹಿಂದಿ, ನೇಪಾಳಿ.
Okay.
ವಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ನೇಪಾಳಿ.
All right.
ಏನಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು?
ದಂಟು ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
ದೊಂಟು ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
Dontu sopo. This
This is called ದೊಂಟು
Dontu
ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
sopo. Amazing, right? We just plucked. See this? Fresh. You can see this.
Yeah.
I'm really enjoying this beautiful, farmland, and we have a beautiful lake over there. And these guys must have, good irrigation facilities because they have a lake nearby.
It's really nice to
It's
have
amazing.
farming out here. Seems.
Yeah. I hope you guys like this vlog, and please
Do like and subscribe.
keep following us. I will be sharing more vlogs like this in future. So actually, I love traveling places like this, and then exploring new people, farmlands, lakes, mountains, hills, and so on and so on. So here we go with the sopo, Donta sopo in Canada. Thank you very much. Have a good day.